If you're looking to set up a membership payment in LearnWorlds, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'll walk you through the essential steps to get your membership system up and running efficiently. By the end, you'll know exactly how to leverage LearnWorlds for easy membership payment setup, and I'll even share some alternatives that might work even better for your needs. First off, you'll want to log in to your LearnWorlds account and head over to your admin dashboard. From here, you'll need to navigate to the Payments section. This is where the magic happens. Click on Payment Providers to set up the gateway that's going to process those payments for you. LearnWorlds supports a variety of payment providers like Stripe and PayPal, making it fairly easy to integrate, though you'll need to make sure your account is set up with these services. Next, let's move on to the next step, creating your membership plan. You'll head to the Courses section and create a course or use an existing one. Once you're in the course settings, you'll want to find a Pricing tab. Here, you'll be able to choose whether your membership will be a one-time payment or a subscription model. For a recurring membership, select the subscription option and specify how often you want to charge, monthly, yearly, or even custom intervals. The third thing to look at is how to set up access restrictions. You'll want to make sure that only paying members can access your exclusive content. Under the Access settings for your course, you can assign membership access based on the payment plan they subscribe to. This is where you set up the user permissions that link their payments to content access, ensuring your paid members get the content they paid for. Now, let's dive into configuring the checkout process. Under the checkout settings, you'll want to customize the pages where your customers finalize their payments. This is your chance to create a seamless, branded experience that feels professional and easy to navigate. You'll be able to add custom fields, include taxes, and even set up discount codes if you're planning on offering special promotions. Once that's all set up, don't forget to test your payment system. You can simulate a purchase to make sure everything is working properly. Make sure to check that members are properly granted access to your content once they've completed their payment and confirm that the recurring payments are correctly set up if that's the model you're using. Now, here's the kicker. LearnWorlds does a solid job with course memberships, but if you're looking for more flexibility or a better user experience overall, you might want to consider alternatives like Kajabi or Thinkific. Both platforms have robust membership capabilities with a more intuitive interface and better marketing tools built in, especially if you're planning to scale your business. Before we wrap up, I've got a special deal for you. If you're still deciding whether LearnWorlds is the right choice for you, don't worry. I've got an exclusive extended free trial for LearnWorlds to our link below, so you can test it out for yourself. But if you're looking for an option that's tailored more toward long-term business growth, the alternatives I mentioned, like Kajabi and Thinkific, offer free trials as well, and I'll be breaking down the differences in the link provided. So go ahead and check the link for your best free trial deal and exclusive benefits only available to our viewers. Whether you choose LearnWorlds or one of these alternatives, you'll be on the right path to creating a successful membership model.